Right now, music sentiment is on a notable upswing with a score of plus 0.61 and momentum hitting plus 0.71. This spike is particularly striking when you consider it's a significant deviation from our historical baseline. If you're developing applications that tap into mood and emotion, this could be your moment to explore how current sentiment influences listener engagement. Our API returns a comprehensive analysis of music sentiment, including real-time scores and semantic clusters, allowing you to dive deep into how specific tracks or genres are resonating. Imagine integrating this into a recommendation engine that adjusts playlists based on the emotional landscape of your users. Curious to learn more? Check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs.